Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Do you want to travel and speak English with confidence?
Especially at hotels. That's where people freeze.
Right. So today, let's fix that together.
You arrive tired, you just want your room. But suddenly, all your English is gone.
Oh, I know that feeling too well.
Wait, you too? Anna, you speak so well.
Sure, but hotels used to scare me. Let me tell you a quick story. Last year, I flew to a small city. I arrived at midnight. I was so tired. The man at the desk smiled and said, "Do you have a reservation?" And my brain just stopped, fully blank.
So what did you say?
I said yes, no, maybe. Room, please.
Room, please. That's honest, at least.
He was very kind. He understood me, but I felt so silly after that.
See, this is why we do this. A few easy phrases can save you.
Exactly. So let's start at the beginning. You walk in. What's the first word?
Just say, "Hi, I have a reservation." A reservation means you booked before.
Yes, you told them you're coming.
And if you didn't book before?
Then you say, "Do you have any rooms?"
Nice and simple. No stress.
The receptionist will ask for your name. "Can I have your name, please?"
And you just give your full name. Then they ask, "How many nights, please?"
That means how many days you'll stay.
Right, you say, "2 nights, please."
Then comes the passport. Don't panic.
They always say, "May I see your passport?"
You give it, they check, they hand it back.
Sometimes they ask for money first. This is called a deposit.
Oh, good word. What does it mean?
A deposit is money you pay early. You get it back when you leave.
Ah, so it's not extra money.
No, it's just for safety. You'll get it back.
Good to know. That used to confuse me.
Me too. I thought I was paying twice.
Oh, the panic on your face.
Anyway, then they give you a key card.
One word here is really useful. The word check in. Let's highlight it.
Good idea. Check in is a phrasal verb. It means you arrive and get your room.
And the opposite is check out.
Right. Check out means you leave. You give the key back and pay.
So check in when you arrive, check out when you go home.
Try saying it now. Check in, check out.
Repeat it in your head, everyone.
Honestly, I mixed these two up once. I told the man I want to check out, but I had just arrived. He was so confused.
Oh no, Leo, poor man.
I know. Rookie mistake.
But that's how we learn, right?
True, you make the mistake once, then you never forget the word again.
So don't be afraid of small mistakes. They're actually your best teachers.
I like that. Say it again.
Mistakes are not the end of learning. They are the start of it.
That's a good one. Write that down.
Now, here's a phrase people forget. The Wi-Fi. You'll want it right away.
Yes, the first question always.
Just ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password?"
Easy, and they'll point to a card.
Or they write it down for you.
One more useful one at check-in. What time is breakfast, please?
Oh, important. Nobody wants to miss it.
Especially me. Breakfast is the best part.
You're not wrong there. Okay, keep going. But wait, I want to say something. I think booking online is always better.
I'm not sure I agree.
Really? Online is faster and cheaper.
Sometimes yes, but not always. Once my room online had no window. The photo looked big and bright.
Oh no. And the real room?
Tiny, dark, next to the elevator.
Okay, maybe you have a point.
So I called the desk and asked, "Do you have a room with a window?"
And they moved you?
They did. A simple question fixed it.
Fair enough. So both ways can work.
Right, just know what to say either way.
Sometimes they offer you a better room.
Yes, they say, "Would you like an upgrade?"
An upgrade means a nicer room.
Bigger, higher floor, better view.
But careful, it often costs more.
So you can ask, "Is it free or extra?"
Smart question. Always ask about the price.
I once said yes without asking. The view was lovely, the bill was not.
Ah, the classic travel lesson.
Okay, so now you're in your room. But what if something is wrong?
Oh, this happens more than you think. Maybe the Wi-Fi doesn't work.
Or the room is too cold?
Or there's no hot water, the worst.
Cold showers at 6 a.m.? No, thank you.
So, how do you ask for help?
You call the front desk. Stay calm. Just say, "Excuse me, I have a problem."
Then explain it in a simple way. The Wi-Fi isn't working in my room.
Or, "The air conditioner is too cold."
You don't need perfect grammar here. You just need to be clear.
Right, short sentences are your friend.
And always say thank you at the end.
People help you faster when you're polite.
That's true everywhere, not just hotels.
Let me share another quick story. Once my Keem room key stopped working. I stood outside my door for 10 minutes. I pushed the card in, again and again.
The little red light, right?
Yes, that angry red light. So rude.
So what did you do in the end?
I went down and said one sentence. "Sorry, my key card isn't working."
And they fixed it in 1 minute.
1 minute. I waited 10 for nothing.
See, the right sentence saves you time.
Here's another common one. Noise.
Oh, noisy neighbors, the worst at night.
You hear music through the wall.
Or people talking loudly at 2 a.m.
So what do you say?
Call the desk. The room next door is loud.
Short and clear. They'll handle it.
They might move you or talk to them.
Either way, you sleep better.
And you didn't need long English.
Just one clear sentence again. Wait, but here's my honest problem. In the moment, I forget every word.
I hear that a lot. So here's a small trick that helps. Learn just one sentence really well.
Only one? That feels too simple.
Trust me, one strong sentence is enough. Excuse me, can you help me please?
Oh, and then they lead the way.
Exactly. You don't carry the whole talk.
I like that. Less pressure on me.
Right. You just open the door. They walked through it with you.
Okay, now let's talk about checkout day.
The morning you leave, often stressful.
Why stressful? It's just leaving, right?
Well, sometimes there's a bill problem. They charge you for something extra.
Oh, like the minibar.
Yes, the famous minibar.
One small bottle of water, $10.
So always check your bill carefully. You can say, "What is this charge for?"
That's a great question to know. What is this charge for? Very useful.
If it's a mistake, they'll fix it.
And what if you're running late?
Ah, the late checkout. Great point. You can ask the night before, "Can I have a late checkout, please?"
Some hotels say yes for free.
Others charge a little. Just ask first.
And if you need a taxi?
Easy. Could you call me a taxi?
They do it at the front desk.
One short sentence and you're on your way.
And if you loved your stay?
Then tell them, "I had a great time."
Small words make people smile.
They really do. Kindness is free.
Oh, quick tip before we finish. Ask this. Can I leave my bags here?
Yes, say your flight is later today.
Most hotels will keep them for you.
Such a small phrase, but so helpful.
By the way, if this is helping you, drop a like so we know.
Tell the minibar we said hi.
And follow Leo and Anna English for more.
We do this every week just for you.
So, let's do a quick recap. Ready?
You arrive, you say, "I have a reservation."
You check in. You get your key card.
Something's wrong? "Excuse me, I have a problem."
Leaving day? You check out and pay.
You check the bill. "What is this charge for?"
Late? Can I have a late checkout, please?
And you leave your bags if you need to.
See, it's not scary at all.
Not when you have the words ready.
That's the whole secret, honestly.
Confidence comes from practice, not perfect English.
I love that. Say it one more time.
Confidence comes from practice, not perfect English.
So next time you travel, try these phrases.
And remember Anna at midnight. Room, please.
Okay, we don't need that story again.
Fair enough. Thanks for listening today.
See you next time. Keep speaking, keep smiling.